We are looking at how to pronounce the name of American singer, songwriter, spokesperson, model, actress, and fashion designer. How do you go about pronouncing her name? In Spanish, her name would be pronounced as Selena Quintanilla. In English, it is pronounced in a very similar fashion, Selena Quintanilla. You do want to say Quintanilla and not Quintanilla. The double L-A at the end is essentially pronounced like it was Y-A, Quintanilla, Selena Quintanilla. Here are more videos on how to pronounce celebrity names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. See you there to learn more.